Hey there, crypto fans. Welcome to another deep dive into the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. Today we have an exciting mission. We have been scanning the top 100 trending tweets in the crypto niche from the past hour, and we have compared them to the top 100 mentions of the previous 23 hours. This type of meteoric rise in social media buzz often hints at a pending price surge. So let us jump in and see what we have discovered. This incredible analysis and video is brought to you by Botanicoin. Go to www.botanicoin.com to start accepting crypto payments in less than 60 seconds. First, let us talk about why social media chatter matters. In the crypto space, perception can swing a market in a matter of minutes. Retail investors keep an eye on Twitter or any other social media platform for hot leads and community sentiment. A sudden swarm of posts about a particular token can trigger excitement, which can translate into actual market moves. That is why we are always searching for the token that is getting a surge in mentions at just the right time. Next, let us outline our process. We also gathered the top 100 tweets that trended in the previous 23 hours. We compared them side by side, looking for any project that showed a massive jump in mention count during that past hour window. We wanted a project that practically came out of nowhere, which means it had minimal coverage before, followed by a sudden spike now. After this deep dive, we identified one standout, Notcoin. During the past hour, Notcoin was mentioned in multiple high-engagement tweets from traders and analysts who often move markets with a single post. Some tweets pointed to a major new partnership involving Notcoin, and others mentioned rumors of a potential staking feature that could drive additional demand for the token. The overall vibe in these tweets is positive, with many commenters predicting that Notcoin could be on the verge of a bullish run. You might be wondering why this matters. When a relatively lesser-known crypto coin starts drawing attention from heavy hitters on social media, it can signal the beginning of a wave of new buyers. These sudden waves are helped along by the hype engine of the internet, with retweets, replies, and likes creating a feedback loop of interest. If a token was quiet for almost a full day, then suddenly breaks into the spotlight, the price can climb quickly as more traders rush in to avoid missing out on potential gains. We also took a look at price tracking data on CoinGecko and observed a small uptick in Notcoin's price, somewhere around 6%, which suggests that the market might already be reacting to the new buzz. It might be early enough that the full impact has not been realized yet, which opens the door to further growth if this momentum picks up speed. Remember that these moves are often fast and dramatic, but they can be short-lived too, so it is wise to stay cautious. From what we can tell, sentiment is overwhelmingly bullish right now. Many of the tweets are praising the partnership news, and there is talk that the rumored staking feature could be a game changer. There is not much negative sentiment or skepticism surrounding Notcoin in the data we collected, which means the community is excited. Of course, it is important to remember that market reversals do happen and crypto assets remain volatile. However, if the buzz keeps building and the price follows, Notcoin could be looking at a significant upward move in the next 24 hours. In summary, Notcoin is the coin that popped up the most in the top 100 trending tweets in the past hour and was barely visible in the previous 23 hours. This dramatic increase in social media attention is often a good indicator of a coming price move, and many traders are taking note. If you are intrigued, it might be worth keeping Notcoin on your radar and seeing how it plays out in the short term. Just remember to do your own research and manage your risk wisely. That is all for this rundown on the sudden spike in Notcoin mentions and why it could be a prime candidate for a quick price surge. If you found this talk useful, consider giving this channel a boost so we can keep bringing you more on-the-pulse updates from the crypto world. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you learned something valuable about tracking social sentiment for timely market insights. Stay safe, stay bright, and I will catch you in the next one.